Hello there. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I prep my hair before I do a hairstyle. I'm sure you guys are used to seeing my hairstyle videos, and in the beginning, my hair appears to be very moisturized, very detangled, very easy to manage. But I'm here to tell you guys the truth, and that is usually planned out. I do not wake up with perfect hair. I usually have to prep it, and I'm just going to be showing you my secret today on how I prep my hair. So when you are ready to do a hairstyle, your hair cooperates with you. Okay? Okay. Let's begin. So I usually have two ways of prepping my hair. I have way one, which is when I have extra time to do like a hair mask and to really wash my hair. Or option two, when I'm very short on time and ain't nobody got time to do that whole process. So I usually just co-wash my hair. But today I'm going to be showing you the first option because I had time to do the full deep cleaning and all that stuff like that. So I'm starting off with this hair mask right here. This is the night before my hairstyle video, and this is an overnight hair mask by The Main Choice. And you're specifically supposed to put it in your hair the night before. So I'm starting off with this hair mask, and as you guys see, I'm just like grabbing stuff. I'm also going to be painting my nails today because I just felt like doing that so my nails can look nice while I'm doing my hair. So now you guys are about to see the real me. No, this is the real me. No, actually this is the real me. It just gets worse and worse. Yes, this is me, Jess. Yeah, this is how my hair looks when I don't take care of it. And yeah, I know you're shocked, but yeah. I'm sure a lot of you can relate, okay? So don't try to judge or anything like that. We all have our days where we just neglect our hair and it starts to stink. Oh, yeah, I could smell that through the screen. Hopefully you can't. And our hair just starts getting super itchy. And yeah, that means that we need to do something with it. So I'm just showing you guys because a lot of people are surprised that you could put this in. So I'm just showing you the instructions. And then I'm just separating my hair, and usually I just would separate my hair in a half. I'll just have two halves, but I tried that and it's just, you guys can see how tangled my hair is. It was bad. My hair is super tangled. I tried to slow it down so you guys can really see, like, look at this. It's painful to watch. Yeah, don't let your hair get like this. As you can see, I started off with trying to do the two halves, but my hair was just too tangled and neglected, and so I just decided I was gonna do 4 parts. Oh my gosh, that looks so painful. I'm trying my best to not rip my hair. Yeah, let me tell you, once again, don't do this. Don't neglect your hair for multiple days, guys, like me. Yeah, so I'm just applying the hair mask. I do have another video on trying out the whole prickly pear line, and it shows you more detailed version of applying the products, but I'm just applying it until my hair becomes like this. I like to put it on my hands and then finger detangle it throughout my hair as I'm applying it, because I just prefer to finger detangle. But on days when I've neglected my hair for a long time, sometimes I'll go in with a comb afterwards or a brush just to make sure I got all of the knots. And look at my hands. That's what happens to your hands when you finger detangle. And as you can see, I like to use a very generous amount of this hair mask, especially on days like this. I can't stress enough, like my hair was just so, it just needed moisture and love. It was very sad and very dry. But yeah, sometimes I'll twist it. Today I just wanted to put it up in a bun like this. And one complaint I can have about this hair mask is that I go through it really quickly. Like, I can only use this twice and then I'll be done, because maybe I just use a lot of it, or maybe it's just not enough for all this hair. I don't know. I don't think I have that much hair, like compared to like some people, but whatever, I don't know. But yeah, look at this. Isn't this crazy? Like, natural hair, as long as you treat your natural hair right, your natural hair will treat you. Like, look at how my hair is coming back to life right now. Yes. If only your hair could stay this defined though. So I'm about to show you how much hair I lost from detangling my hair. If your hair makes you cringe, do not watch this. Skip through to this time period. But yeah, it's about to happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It looks disgusting. I don't really know why I'm showing you it, but I mean, I don't know. Okay, moving on. After you apply it all to your hair, you're supposed to put a hair cap on and what? And I'm also securing it with my Grace L. Allier cap. I don't really know how to say her name still. Yeah, I'm just securing the cap. Not securing the bag, but securing the cap. You get it? No? Okay, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, just to make sure that it doesn't come off in the middle of the night, because that will really suck if that happened. And now I'm going to go and do my nails. Nail time. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But yeah, I have this like bootleg nail kit. Just have the basic things that you need for nails. I'm not an expert in this at all, but I usually do my own nails. I don't remember the last time I went to the nail salon because I just feel like it's not worth my money because I can do it at home by myself. And then I went to sleep. And now this is the morning time. I am struggling to get out of bed. I'm so warm and cozy. Look at my nails. I forgot to show you guys my nails last night. They didn't turn out the most perfect, as you can see, but they aight. And so since I'm going to be doing a hairstyle video today, I like to go to Pinterest, let the creative juices flow, get some inspiration, figure out how I can tweak it a little bit to make it look, you know, Jessified. And then after I'm finished with that, I'm gonna go and my room's a mess right now. I'm gonna go and get some breakfast. Yeah, I know. Don't judge me. I don't have a trash can in my room yet. I need to buy one. So yeah, we're just improvising. But yeah, I'm just going to turn on the oven so I can just make me some toast, a quick little breakfast this morning before I start to prepare for my video. Because if I don't have food before I start a video, I'm just not gonna be the same Jess that you all know and love, okay? Good morning. I wanted to show you guys my breakfast. This is my bread that I use, gluten-free bread by Pear. Let's see. I love this bread. It's vegan and it has like, it's nut-free because I have a nut allergy. It's just good for allergens if it'll focus. Are you gonna focus or no? Yeah, you see that. And then I like to get some raw organic honey and just drizzle it on there. That's it. And then I have this apple and some water that's currently not here. Surprise! Me again. Okay, so it's time to wash this baby out. And the gross thing about this is my hair felt so hot from being in the cap all night. But look, guys, look at this. I mean, the hair speaks for itself. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Yeah. And now I'm just modeling it, you know, because I'm just hoping that one day I can do a hair routine that makes my hair this defined and stay like this forever. But you know, we know that doesn't happen because natural hair shrinks. And yeah, anyways, I'm going to take a shower now. Okay, so this is my hair. It looks so different, doesn't it? This is what I love love about this conditioner. It makes my hair super shiny and just really nice and fluffy. Oop, don't want ammonia there, and my towel almost fell off. Next, I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner to my hair, and I have plenty of videos for you to see how I do that, so you can, you know, check there if you want to see it. I'm using this leave-in conditioner, and to be honest, this is not really my favorite leave-in conditioner because you can't use too much or it will make your hair like hard and flaky. And my actual favorite one is the AsIAm leave-in conditioner, but I was all out of that one, so I just had to use this one. So I'm about to put this in my hair, braid it up, and I'll see you soon. Next, I just obviously do my makeup and do my makeup and look at all this mess. Ugh, that I have to clean up. Goodness. But yeah, here's the makeup, and that's pretty much it. That is how I prep for a hairstyle video, and then after that I just went to set up everything and then started to film. And here's a clip for my next video. I took out the braids, and as you can see, my hair was popping. It was popping, okay? I just wanted to show you this kind of clip of the results, and also to let you know that my next video I will be showing you how to part your hair. I'll be giving you my best tips on how I easily part my hair, because a lot of you guys say that I just make parting look so easy and simple. So I finally am going to be giving you an updated video on how I part my hair. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see that video. And yeah, I hope this helped you guys. I hope you apply this for the next time you want to do a hairstyle and prep your hair. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you liked about it, if you try it, what your favorite food is, and bye. See you later, alligator.